If you've been browsing online for thyroid support supplements, you might have come across something called Actora Thyroid Drops. Their website is packed with bold promises, glowing testimonials, and what looks like thousands of satisfied customers. But when you take a closer look, some parts of the story don't quite add up, and that's what we're going to break down in this video. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. One of the first things that stands out is the set of unrealistic claims. The site says these drops can force 100 plus enzymes back online with just one daily dropper, and even promises results in just 3 to 7 days, with a complete thyroid restoration in 6 months. That's just not how thyroid disease works. Conditions like Hashimoto's or hypothyroidism are complex and often lifelong. No supplement can cure them in a matter of days. They also claim this formula works better than synthetic hormones without side effects. But for many people, prescription thyroid medication is life-saving and irreplaceable. On top of that, they talk about being clinically tested and third-party verified, but don't provide any real studies or credible sources. Numbers like 76% faster metabolism seem more like marketing than actual science. Another issue is the lack of transparency. The website doesn't list an email, phone number, or even a physical address for the company. That's unusual for any serious health supplement brand, because it makes it nearly impossible to reach out if you need customer support, a refund, or simply want to know who's behind the product. Then there's the reviews. On their own site, everything looks overwhelmingly positive. But when you check independent platforms like Trustpilot, a different picture emerges. People report that the reviews on the official site look fake, that the product they received wasn't what was advertised, and that it was shipped from overseas, possibly China. Some even said they emailed the company multiple times with no response at all, which raises big concerns about reliability and customer service. And finally, when you look at the images on the site, things get even stranger. Running them through AI detection tools shows a 99% likelihood that the photos are AI generated. That means the real women in the testimonials may not even exist, and the glowing stories about life-changing results could be entirely fabricated. Combined with duplicated reviews and exaggerated promises, this is another major red flag. So, is Actora Thyroid Drops legit or a scam? Based on these concerns, it's hard to trust the story the website is selling. At the end of the day, it's your decision whether to buy or not, but my goal here was to highlight the issues so you can make an informed choice. Always be cautious with products that promise miracle cures, especially for serious health conditions.